When it comes to small cars, the Toyota Corolla has always set the standard for dependability, gas mileage, and usability. To keep up with the competition in a tech-savvy market, the 2025 model maintains that tradition while adding some nice upgrades. Several significant upgrades are made to the 2025 Corolla. When it comes to available technology and the infotainment system, the biggest modifications are at the center. After hearing consumer complaints, Toyota upgraded most models with a bigger and more user-friendly touchscreen. A lot of people will be happy with the new system because it has quicker processing speeds, better graphics, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard features. Aside from the infotainment, there have been some minor style adjustments. A little more current and refined appearance is achieved by the car thanks to some small alterations made to the front and rear fascias. The usual powertrain selections will be carried over to the 2025 Corolla. An economical 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine supplies sufficient power for regular commutes in the base variant. Those seeking a touch more muscle can upgrade to the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine found in higher model levels. The Corolla's handling is consistent and pleasant. It may lack the performance of a sports vehicle, but its composed handling and quiet cabin make it ideal for commuting and extended road trips. Improvements to the continuously variable transmission (CVT) allow for more controlled acceleration with less harshness. The 2025 Corolla's cabin is similarly focused on functionality and longevity. The construction is sturdy, and the controls are conveniently located around the cabin. The dashboard is designed to effortlessly integrate an improved infotainment system. Although persons of a higher stature may find the back seat to be a little snug on longer journeys, it serves its purpose well for daily usage. This sort of vehicle is great for weekend road trips and supermarket shopping because to its spacious trunk. The upgraded infotainment system is the most significant change for 2025. Based on the trim, displays that are 8 to 10.5 inches in size internet connectivity autoplay from Apple and Android voice recognition has been enhanced. Navigation services hosted in the cloud several USB ports, one of which is USB-C wireless charging pad. If preferred, as part of its ongoing commitment to safety, Toyota has equipped the 2025 Corolla with the Toyota Safety Sense Suite as standard equipment. This package includes features like lane departure warning with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection headlights, with auto high beam function maximum speed range driving assistance system with dynamic radar blind spot monitor, with rear cross traffic alert is one among the features offered by higher-end triples. Excellent gas mileage is one of the long-standing virtues of the Corolla. Both the 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter engine options will continue to provide remarkable mileage in the 2025 model. Also available is a hybrid version that continues to impress with its fuel economy, making it a great choice for those who are concerned about the environment.